Hello, I'm Colleen Quinn from Lavaroma. Thank you so much for joining me today on this recipe video. So what I want to lean into today is 3 different essential oils to give us an energizing alertness recipe for those times when we need a bit of a pick-me-up. So instead of having a 3 o'clock cup of coffee, we can try this energizing alertness recipe and see if it gives you another couple of energized and vibrant hours at the desk. If you're new to us, welcome. And if you're familiar with us, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you never miss a recipe from us. We release new recipes all the time. So this one's really simple, really quick. 3 essential oils, 2 drops of each. So I'm going to work with a diffuser today, and I'm going to work with a small diffuser because I'm going to use this in my office. So that's where I feel I need energized and I need some afternoon alertness or some kind of support, okay? I'm going to top this up to the max line with some distilled water. Every diffuser will give you a maximum water line, so just top it up. Now, my first essential oil is basil. You can see my beautiful basil plant here. I'm going to use 2 drops of basil. Basil is amazing for focus. If you want to substitute it, maybe you don't like the smell of basil, maybe it feels more of a food than an essential oil to you, try rosemary. Also an herb, so still a food, but very interesting as an essential oil and equally will give you great focus, okay? Cypress is a beautiful oil for energizing and to keep us focused and alert. 2 drops of it also. And then third, but by no means least, I have orange. Sweet orange is a beautiful oil. Think of sunshine when you think of oranges. 2 drops, it gives you that brightness, and this is my, if these are my 2 energizing oils, this is my alert oil. This is going to keep me sharp, which is exactly what we want. So 2 drops of each. You can use more if you wish. My room's small. 6 drops for me for 20 minutes in the afternoon is enough to push me through and keep me functional and beneficial for the rest of my workday. Try this. Let me know where you use it. Maybe you don't use it in your office. Maybe you use it in a different part of your home or a different scenario. Leave me a comment below if you don't have any of these oils and you want to discuss the substitution, or you just want to share how you experienced this recipe. I'd love to know. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a recipe from me again. Take care.